Do you want to be sure about your sale on the next multifunction printer deal? We all know that one of the greatest factors in getting the deal is price first, then we discuss the finer details. Cost saving is now the first requirement for any business when purchasing a product. The lower the cost, the more chance of closing the deal. The fax unit can now be removed by adding the Virtual Fax functionality to your Ricoh Multifunction Device, which will lower the cost of the device. If saving on the device itself by adding Virtual Fax is not enough, they also save on the monthly fax line rental and all faxes sent to clients on a monthly basis. Faxes can be sent and received on the multifunction device or sent and received directly from their email on any device. Porting the number over to the Virtual Fax network will add to the saving by eliminating the monthly analog line rental. Virtual Fax will help save on a business's monthly expenses and also ensure that all faxes sent and received are archived for 10 years. Trusted by over 2,000 companies in South Africa, Virtual Fax is the household name when it comes to cost saving. Virtual Fax. We understand faxing.